So you're a small business expert within a niche industry, which means you probably have a website. It's probably where you store all the information about your business and links to relevant works and contact info. But you're so busy all day working with clients, taking customer calls, and fulfilling online orders that you can't properly make sure that your website is funneling customer inquiry the right way. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most simple and affordable ways to delight customers and keep them happy and coming back. Chatbots. But chatbots are for corporations and enterprises. It's not for a freelance photographer, personal trainer, music instructor, therapist. You get the point. Well, that used to be the case, but not anymore. Think of chatbots as a customer service representative. Instead of having an unmonitored website, chatbots will be there to answer any customer inquiries about your menu, services, product, hours of operation, and so on. It's kind of like having a personal assistant, but it lives on your website. Chatbots are proven to increase customer satisfaction, reduce customer churn, and are ready for your customers 24/7. And on top of that, Amy specifically is a chatbot unlike any other out there, being specifically made for small businesses like yours. As an easy-to-use software, you can get Amy up and running on your website within just a couple minutes. No tech background required. All you have to do is click the link below to sign up within just a couple clicks. And soon before you know it, you'll have your own digital assistant to help you respond to more customers, and hopefully you'll get a little bit more time back in that hectic day of yours. Sounds pretty good to me.